I am a bird in the last tree. Others circle around me. I wonder why my friends are gone. I am a bird in the last tree. From my tree I could see it fall away. 70,000 pine trees wiped, all but me. I saw the man in front of a tube. The loud voice said, all was gone. I took flight to find my friends. As far as I could see, there was nothing left. I flew and flew until I was out of breath. Ripped from the hinges, I lost my favorite spot. The fisherman, too, had a home no more. I was tired, and it was time for a drink. The first building erected after the flood was a bar. Seeing laughter and comfort food was warm to the soul. As one might expect, guardians of local flavor stood erect. With karaoke still in my head, I flew to Anatoshi Iso. From the solid cliff my cousins hang, in trees that have seen it again and again. My next stop was led by a track. I knew I had to get my friends back. Oh, magic shell of this station tonight, help me find my friends. I knew I was tired, so I stopped for the night. The fifth floor room was just above the flood line. From the view I could see, mankind wiped out before me. The ground floor was new, but others were lost. The new rules were clear. If you stand, you may remain. If you don't, you may not rebuild. My hotel had seen it before and put up a plaque. A tsunami from Chile hit in 1964. I traveled far and wide, but still no hair nor hide. I really thought my friends can't hide. I looked through the gates of hell. I saw the mission bell. Still, I had to make time for me. I stopped for tea. With new energy from caffeine's might, I was struck again and again that Mother Nature's might. Oh my God. The slabs got thrown about like Thor was in town. The fishermen, with their lights so bright, still did not see my friends, even at night. I saw the TV watcher again. He confirmed what NHK said to him. I thought for sure I heard my friends, but it was the wind screaming through metal bent blue. The electrician was sad. No power was to be had. The Indian's hair blew in the wind. Some Hollywood blowhard cameo again. I flew inside to take a peek. Nothing was left, not even the sink. Torn from the jester, the signed warned again. Each port we passed was laid bare. The cracks crumble and rocks everywhere. I saw Eddie the Ibis. He honked to follow me. Past the cliffs he would take me, seeing triangles from the sea. The boats, they glistened and were full of reward, except for that boat on top of the building. Now that surprised me. I knew storks like to gamble after the baby delivery, but I wonder why this ibis is flying towards Bingo. Bingo? Bingo. I knew in the end when I saw my Indian friend. Finally, this Indian said, "Your birds are there. There are your friends." I stood from afar at first. The emotions of the flock stopped my clock. The bird from the last tree found his community. Soon it became clear I could not be near. Man came in so proud and poured concrete down last tree. Now it can stand for eternity. But the tree is dead to the wind, and the concrete pores do not feed. I was the bird from the last tree. I found my community. Man hopped on the train again, soon forgetting about the past. A symbol of hope and strength was left in my path. Certain destruction set me free. I am bird in the last tree.